Hello, beautiful people. Today, I'm going to show you in about 5 minutes how you can download and run an AI model locally on your computer. Use it for things like ChatGPT questions, coding, or anything else you might do. I'm going to be showing you some advanced use cases for running these models locally. I think this is a great use case for anyone who wants to start experimenting with hosting their own models. This is the first step. Run one on your laptop and try it before you start trying to create a server farm or running them in the cloud. This is also good for people who want to save tokens when they're coding or just have a free daily driver. And get this, it's really good if you're going to be working somewhere without internet, if you want to keep coding, want to keep asking questions. And it's really good for anyone who's privacy focused. If you want to run through health records or financial records or anything sensitive that you don't want going up into the cloud somewhere, you can use this setup. Okay, first I'm going to show you a demo. I downloaded the model Gemma 3 locally onto my MacBook. I have a MacBook Pro with 16 gigabytes of RAM, and it's able to run this easily. Now, I downloaded a Forbes article just on like the AI market, and I'm going to give it this task that I already gave ChatGPT. So let's see how fast it does it, and let's compare them. So I just asked it to read this article that I had downloaded and summarize it. Yep, I asked it to summarize it into 3 bullet points. Great. And then compared to ChatGPT, 3 bullet points. ChatGPT has links. Oh, but that's just a link to the article I pasted in. Okay, we got similar results here, and this was free. I did not have to pay $20 a month to use this. It runs on my laptop. This is amazing. And so what this is this is called Ollama, and Ollama is kind of like the iTunes or Spotify of local AI models. You can start a chat and then click models here to download them. So let me show you how to get this set up and installed. First, we're going to go to ollama.com, and you can either paste this into your terminal like I did, or download Ollama here for Mac, Linux, or Windows. You can click it to download, and it's just like a regular app. So there we go. You can see you can install it anywhere. I made a folder called Ollama 1 and just installed it in there or ran the command in there in terminal just to be sure, but it's just going to install like an application. And then in your applications, you should see Ollama, and then you can click to open that. Now you can also run these in your terminal. So you've got 2 options. You can go on Ollama's website and look through different models to try. I think Gemma is a good place to start. Make sure you click on the guide. We'll have some suggestions in there of models you should pick based on what hardware you have. But if you have less, go for ones that are mini and lower parameters. 3 billion one, you can get away with 8 gigabytes of RAM. It'll show you in here what they require, so that'll be helpful. And they'll give you a command here. So I'll go into my terminal and I'll paste that command in, and it's going to download that model. And it's going to be at 2 gigabytes. It's going to download. And then when it's done, like this Gemma 3 one that I had installed earlier, I can just message it in here and it'll talk back to me. Now, if you want the UI, we're just going to go into the Ollama app, click chat. You can select any model. So you can select that one that I downloaded in the terminal, or you can download a different one. So I'm going to try this, and there it is. It's going to show me that it's downloading. There's cloud models too, but you got to sign up for that, and you can subscribe to have all of these models run in the cloud for you. So it'll be like if it was locally on your laptop, but in the cloud. So you can run some of like 3 at a time for $20 a month. I think you might want to do that, like if you're running OpenClaw. And that's it. That's really all there is to it. Now you can run models locally to help you with tasks. And here's the cool part. We're going to have a full advanced guide on this, but if you click launch, you can go ahead and launch these with Claude Code or Codex or OpenClaw, and you can use it for local coding. But that's a whole other bag of oysters. I'm going to save that for a second advanced guide. So what you guys just learned is how to download Ollama and run those models locally on your computer. Now you're going to be able to do a lot more from the terminal than that actual app that I showed you. So read through these docs, read through our guide, and you can really kit this thing out. And just remember, do research on the model before you download it so you can make sure that it's not going to crash your computer. If it's downloading a ton of gigabytes, like if you see, like I just did, start downloading 9 gigabytes, I was like, okay, let's not do this. But 2 to 3 gigabyte models, small ones, that's like the size of the download. Those tend to work pretty well on most modern computers. Okay, that's it for today. As always, I'm Billy from the Rundown AI University. Stay frosty and peace.